Hello and welcome. This will be very exciting. This time I'm going to show you one thing I'm launching right now. It's a challenge from 1K to 100K in crypto in this 2024 and also in 2025. So we will do everything possible with what actually is available into the crypto to raise as fast as possible. Of course, risk management will be still in play, at least somehow, and hopefully we will not get liquidated, but we will go with 1K. Hopefully we will get to the 100K. Seems like impossible, but I don't think so. It's impossible. There are many ways you can basically raise like 100x into the crypto, into the bull market, but some of them are like more gambling, some of them are like more predictable, some less predictable. So we will try to diversify our portfolio and then we'll see how it's going. And if I get to this 100K, that will mean that will be a huge achievement, of course, and also a bit of luck. Let's say so. Why I'm going for the 1K to 100K or not some other numbers? Basically, the explanation is very simple. Last year in the summer, when all the cryptos were down, I also had one shitcoin portfolio from the previous bull run in Gate.io account, which I basically was forgot about. And then I checked this portfolio in the last summer, and it was written around 400K into these shitcoins. 400, actually not 400K, just 400 US dollars into the shitcoins. Probably some 10 coins or something. So, and then I decided, okay, I will just see what's happening with those coins, basically into autumn period. And with the January, I saw that there is actually raised 4 times or even 5 times because the numbers already showed 1.6K into this account. So I decided to recover this account and create this challenge and also allocate a lot, differentiate from these coins previously. So now basically it's like 1K is into the active trading and the second K, which is already 1.3K, is in a long-term portfolio and copy trading too. So let's see which account will do better, active trading or long-term holding. And that's also interesting to compare. But let's say overall the challenge is from 1K to 100, or you can mention from 2 to 200. If I get to 200K, I will quickly show you what I will do if I get to 200K from those 2K in this crypto bull run. Let's Google Mercedes AMG GT. There is one completely useless car, but I gonna go for it. If I get to 200K, I will buy one. No matter that there is like basically no real reason to buy such car, but I will buy one. I will just show you exactly the model. So here it is. Depending on the price, you can also check depending on the completion and extras probably or engine, what you choose. The numbers can differ, but it's nearly 200K, I think, into the price. I will buy this one if I get to those 200K. I know it's completely useless buy, but also, and this challenge is like actually sounds pretty crazy if I say that I am going from 2K to 200K. That also sounds crazy. And now a bit more about bit more about actually how I'm planning to achieve it. Basically, if we just quickly just think about the ways how actually we can make 100x into the crypto. So what actually should happen? First of all, I think the easiest way to imagine such a situation is basically that you buy the coin, which goes up 100x, right? But 100x, it's not that possible into the crypto bull run. Normally for the altcoins, it's 10x, probably 20x at the max. So to go from 2K to 200K, then actually that's not enough. You basically have to somehow 10x your money even more. So the idea is simple. Then if you buy the coin which goes up 10x and you buy it with the leverage of 10x, then basically 10x times 10x, it's 100x, and then you are there. That's also one of the scenarios, but it's quite risky because you have to be right on the coin, because that's risky to do it on only the one coin. So that means that it's better it is to at least in the beginning test which works better, whether the trading works better, and also how does the long-term portfolio performs. So then my strategy basically in the beginning is to split this 2K portfolio into the two parts. Right now it's already done. So one is in a long-term portfolio, other one is in this active trading. You can also follow this active trading account and copy it in Bybit. Links just below. And I really suggest to do so because there is also trades from the other copy traders copied into this account, and also my own trades. And there is actually recently a lot of trades, and we have doubled this active trading account in the last 3 days. And that's what we have done. Of course, it's a risky trading, but you know, if I want to make 100x, then I should not waste the time. So, and that's for the active trading, and into the active trading, the strategy will be very interesting and simple in the same time. The idea is that we buy the pullbacks, at least for some kind of pullbacks into the markets, and we buy it for the maybe 10, 20 coins, split the portfolio in 10, 20 coins. Then we see when it's going into the profit, when it's going into the profit, we take some profit, move stop loss into the basically zero, a little profit, and then basically leave the trades on. And if we are lucky that price is not going back to those levels anymore in this bull run, and then those trades just run for the months, and then they make actually this 100x on those money invested into those coins, because the plan is to go with 10x leverage. And also, if the coin makes 10x with 10x leverage, then it's 100x. So that means that by collecting coins on everyday basis, the trades on everyday basis, which actually run, you take some profit, move the stop loss into the profit. It's a risk-free trade from that moment on, and just leave it. Of course, by the time also a lot of stop losses will be hit, but every day we like find a new trade. Every day we spot on the new trade. Probably new trades are going to the profit. We take some profit, move the stop loss into the plus, and leave. In that, the idea and the hypothesis for this is actually that in a month or two, we collect enough trades which are running and not hitting the stop loss, and which are running like 100% up. So that is the idea for the trading account. and how to actually make 100x on the trading account. Then the second thing is this long-term portfolio. In the long-term portfolio, the idea is basically the IPOs, the startup coins, which are launched in this bull run and which are already mentioned from the famous crypto guys, and also are basically not shit coins, but you know, in the crypto, it's not about, in the bull runs, it's not that much about whether it's shit coin or it's a really good coin. It's more about the hype, the marketing, and actually how high the price can get. So that being said, and that's for the introduction for this challenge. And let's remember what I else should mention right now. We'll see, of course, which will perform better, this active trading account or long-term investing. It's split into the part of the coins which are just waiting 10x, and also in the coins which are into the copy trading, because there are also some nice strategies into the copy trading you can currently copy. And that's why I really suggest you to pay attention to links below this post and choose Bybit for your copy trading and also for your active trading. If you choose the links below, you also get the great bonuses, discounts on the commissions, and less profit sharing to the copy traders if you choose the links below. And that is a great benefit comparing just to go to Bybit and look yourself for those copy traders and everything. So that being said, thank you for your attention today. I will try to be as often as possible showing what's going on and how is the progress with this challenge from 2K to 200K. But yeah, it's a kind of a little bit difficult to go online often and to go online like on the daily basis. That's tricky because, but I really suggest you also to find AI Invest Lab copy trading into the Bybit, because in my copy trading account, there is like a lot combined. It's very, very active, aggressive. Yes, there can be some drawdowns, but there is a lot going on because we are copying basically also Krallo trades, which are good trades, also other copy trading trades, which seem to be very stable. We are initiate over trades. We are trading also with over robots signals, and there is like huge combination. There is a very active tool actually. As I told you, the last 3 days, like basically double the portfolio. So that being said, thank you for your attention and see you soon.